Detection of peroxide gives the initial evidence of rancidity in unsaturated fats and oils. Other methods are available, but peroxide value is the most widely used. It gives a measure of the extent to which an oil sample has undergone primary oxidation. Extent of secondary oxidation may be determined from p-anhydride test. The double bonds found in fats and oils play a role in autooxidation. Oils with a high degree of unsaturation are most susceptible to autooxidation. The best test for autooxidation is determination of the peroxide value. Peroxides are intermediates in the autooxidation reaction. Autooxidation is a free radical reaction involving oxygen that leads to deterioration of fats and oils which form off flavors and off odors. Peroxide value, concentration of peroxide in an oil or fat, is useful for assessing the extent to which spoilage has advanced. Definition: the peroxide value is defined as the amount of peroxide oxygen per 1 kilogram of fat or oil. Traditionally this was expressed in units of molar equivalents, although if we are using SI units then the appropriate option would be in millimoles per kilogram. Note also that the unit of molar equivalent has been commonly abbreviated as mequiv or even as mech. Method: the peroxide value is determined by measuring the amount of iodine which is formed by the reaction of peroxides with iodide ion. 2Er plus H2O plus HOOH plus 2O plus I2. Note that the base produced in this reaction is taken up by the excess of acetic acid present. The iodine liberated is titrated with sodium thiosulfate. 2S2032O plus I2S4062O plus 2Er. The acidic conditions prevents formation of hypoiodite, which would interfere with the reaction. The indicator used in this reaction is a starch solution where amylose forms a blue to black solution with iodine and is colorless where iodine is titrated. A precaution that should be observed is to add the starch indicator solution only near the end point because at high iodine concentration starch is decomposed to products whose indicator properties are not entirely reversible. AOCS methods are available from www.aocs.org. All versions are copyright and cannot be republished without permission. Taste: peroxide values of fresh oils are less than 10 molar equivalents kg. When the peroxide value is between 30 and 40 molar equivalents kg, a rancid taste is noticeable. References